You are sitting in a room that feels like a furnace, and suddenly a sleek, wall mounted air conditioner pops up on your feed at a price that seems almost too low to believe. It is the classic digital bait that catches us when we are at our most desperate for a bit of relief from the heat. This specific unit from the Selnivo website is currently making waves across social media. But honestly, the red flags are waving right along with it. When you look at the raw data for this site, you see a trust score sitting right at 51%. That is the ultimate, middle of the road number. It should make any shopper pause immediately. It is not quite a total disaster, but it is certainly not a glowing endorsement of a legitimate business either. We are talking about a site that sits in that murky gray area where your money could just as easily vanish into the ether as it could result in a working appliance arriving at your door. The research behind these numbers goes incredibly deep into the hosting services and the hidden technology being used to run the shop. We looked at over 40 different elements to see what is actually happening behind the curtain. Often these sites are built on cheap templates that can be spun up in an afternoon. They are designed to be taken down just as quickly once the complaints start rolling in. Think about the logic here for a second. You see a product that claims to do everything from cooling to heating to purifying the air. It promises all of this in one tiny box that costs less than a fancy dinner out. It sounds like a total dream, but the reality is often a plastic shell with a weak fan inside that does nothing but move warm air around. The investigation into this particular site suggests a total coin flip. A 51% score means the algorithms are picking up on some very suspicious patterns in the location and the popularity metrics. If a site has no real history and no organic footprint outside of aggressive ads, your internal alarms should be screaming. You have to do the manual footwork here before you click that checkout button. Look for real people with real photos of the unit in their homes. Do not just trust the polished stock images provided by the seller. These scammers are getting smarter every day by hiding their tracks through complex hosting setups. They want you to see that multifunctional tag and stop asking hard questions. They want you to move fast. They hope you do not realize there is no real customer service line or physical address listed on the page. Before you hand over your hard-earned cash for a wall-mounted cooling miracle, ask yourself why a revolutionary piece of tech is being sold on a random corner of the internet instead of a major retailer. It is a gamble where the house usually wins. If you have already dealt with this site, your experience is the missing piece of the puzzle that helps everyone else stay safe. We are constantly digging through these digital storefronts to find the truth. Nobody likes being the person who gets a box of rocks or a cheap toy in the mail. Stay skeptical and keep your eyes open for those tiny details that just do not add up. The heat is temporary, but a drained bank account is a much bigger headache. Stick to your instincts and keep your money in your pocket until you are absolutely certain.